Hi everyone, this is Mona Preek with Keller Williams Southwest, and this is the Real Estate Know-How Series, and I've got an awesome lender with me. What's your name?
Wait, where? Me?
Yes, sir.
I'm Dave, your mortgage guy.
Awesome. And what company are you with, Dave?
Legend Home Lending.
Awesome. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the current market. Dave and I have done several deals together in the 5 years I've been in real estate, and he's an amazing lender, super responsive, and he knows a lot about the market. So tell us about the market and the interest rates right now.
Absolutely. A lot of people aren't talking about this, but I really believe we're at a floor when it comes to interest rates. What does that mean? It means I don't think there's much room for rates to go any lower.
Okay, so how low are we talking? Like, are we in the 3s, 4s? What are we talking about?
Yeah, absolutely. So the 15-year, now there's examples where it's in the high 2s, which I never thought we'd see
Yeah,
again.
exactly.
The 30-year is in the low 3s. And this is really over 1.5 points less than what interest rates were at the end of 2018.
Okay, so now is really a good time for people that are looking to buy a home to buy it, because obviously your interest payment is going to be lower because the interest rate is much lower right now. So that's very helpful. So another thing a lot of buyers ask me is, when should I get pre-approved? And Mona, what exactly is the process of pre-approval? So walk us through that, the timing and the process.
Absolutely. So when that question gets asked, my answer is always do it immediately.
Okay.
ASAP, right away. Here's why. If you want to wait until you find the right home, you're going to go out, you're going to find the right home, you're not pre-approved, you're going to miss out on making the offer.
Right.
Right? So always be pre-approved before you go out on Saturday with Mona, or you're probably going to miss out.
And exactly. So now when we do the pre-approval and we say, okay, use Dave, your mortgage guy, what's the process?
Absolutely. So there's an online application. Once you apply, usually within 24 hours or much less, we've got you pre-approved. You'll know rates, fees, down payments. You'll have all your questions answered.
Awesome. And the one thing I like about working with Dave and his team are the clear to close comes super early, sometimes like a week before closing. So tell us a little bit about how long it takes to close deals, because we have a lot of realtors that are watching and they've worked with a lot of lenders. And so we want to kind of understand what your process is and why maybe they would consider using Legend Home Lending versus their current lender.
Yeah, absolutely. My goal is that we close as fast as humanly possible. I believe that I am the fastest at it. We close deals 3 to 5 times a month, where we've closed them in 10 business days or less, from start to finish.
Okay, but in average, like most 90% of your deals, is it the standard 21 to 30 days? Or are most of your deals closing that quick?
It depends on the contract, but I would say, the majority are going to be 30 days or less in general.
Right.
And then 2 weeks is usually to help out a client who has to close faster, or sometimes closing in that amount of time allows you to get your offer accepted when maybe it wouldn't, because other offers are 30 days or 45 days.
Sure. So you're just super competitive if needed and the buyer needs to move soon. Dave, your mortgage guy, will be able to close the file anywhere from 10 days, or if the contract requires it to close a little longer, he can do that too. So you're super flexible. So I think that's really important. And thank you so much for being on this series with Keller Williams Southwest. And if any of you guys have any questions or want the contact information for Dave, your mortgage guy, please let me know. And we're going to post all of his information on this post too. So thank you guys and have a wonderful week. Thanks.
Bye, guys.